Hello. Hi, Locksmith. You lost the key. Nice to meet you.
Hey, Doug.
Andres.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, the door's open, but you just can't find the keys.
All right.
Well, somebody took off early today. He doesn't know where the keys are.
And the same key from here, the same for the ignition?
Mm-hmm.
Is the same one?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it has a little. I never opened it with a key, but I think so. Yeah.
Yes?
It has a beeper. I mean, I don't know if you guys can have the beeper with the key.
No, it's okay. I don't care about
If
that.
not, then just the key is fine.
Quitamos aquí. Agarramos acá. Agarramos aquí. Aquí tenemos el código para hacer la llave. Agarramos la llave. Raspamos. Aquí ve. Vamos que gire. Perfecto.
Thank you. I'm
De
sorry
nada.
about that.
It's fine. Thank you, gracias.